Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will revise determiners. Students, as you all know, the determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. So, students, let's start with the articles. As you all know that a, an and the, these are called articles. A and an are used before countable singular nouns, and a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, while an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, students, an elephant is a huge animal. I want to be a painter. Then students, article the is used to particularize a person or a thing. For example, I have lost the pen you gave me yesterday. Means हम यहाँ पर उस particular pen की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, I have lost the pen you gave me yesterday, जो मुझे आपने कल दिया था. Next, we can take example. Bring me the book lying on the table. Means जो उस टेबल पर वो वाली बुक पड़ी है, that bring. Okay, bring me the book lying on the table, that particular book. Here we are talking about the particular book lying on the table. Okay, then students, this, that, these and those, these are called demonstratives. Students, remember that this, that, these and those point to objects denoted by the nouns that follow them. For example, students, that horse runs very fast. You cannot control this dog. Those girls must be rewarded. These mangoes are very sweet. Okay, like this, students, we can use different examples. Now, students, let's talk about possessives. Students, a possessive is a word that shows that a certain thing or person belongs to somebody or something. Here, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Okay, these all are possessives. Here, students, these all are possessive. For example, students, host your guest and also his dog. Okay, host your guest and also his dog. Here your and his, it's determiners. Then students, we can take one more example like our school shows brilliant results every year. Let's move on to the interrogative determiners. The interrogative determiners are what, which, whose. Okay, for example, students, what time is it? Which cake do you want to buy? Whose car are you driving? These are examples of interrogative determiners. Then students, let's talk about quantifiers. Here students, few, some, no, any, more, much, six, okay, all, both. These all are quantifiers. Yes, students, remember that when two dogs fight over a bone, the third carries it away. Here two, it's a determiner. Okay, when two dogs fight over a bone, the third carries it away. Next one, students, some and any. Here students, remember that no and any are used in negative and interrogative sentences, while some is generally used in affirmative sentences. Okay, for example, students, I'm going to buy some cake for tonight. We have to make some phone calls. Next, students, example of any. We don't have to make any phone calls. They don't have to bring any money. Here for interrogation, students, we can write down, have you any money? Okay, like the students, we can use different sentences here. Now students, let's look at the difference in the meanings of few, a few, the few, and little, a little, and the little. Students, few is used with countable nouns. Okay, few is used with countable nouns. Students, it means hardly any, कि मुश्किल से ही थोड़ा सा है. It means hardly any and it is negative. For example, students, he is a lonely man. He has few friends, means उसके नाम मात्र ही जो है friends है, बहुत कम. Okay, he is a lonely man. He has few friends. Then students, a few, it means some in number, means कुछ है थोड़ा सा. A few means some in number. For example, students, he is not a lonely man. He has a few good friends. Okay, he is not a lonely man. He has a few good friends. Then students, the few. The few means not many but all of them, कि जितना भी है उनमें से थोड़ा सा. The few means not many but all of them. For example, students, I have read the few books I had, कि means जितनी मेरे पास बुक्स हैं उनमें से थोड़ी सी, जितनी भी मेरे पास हैं. Okay, I have read the few books I had. Then students, little. Little is used with uncountable nouns. Little means not much, or we can say hardly any, and it is negative. For example, students, there is little milk in the house, means घर में बहुत बहुत कम milk है. Okay, there is little milk in the house, so I cannot prepare any tea for you. इसलिए मैं आपके लिए चाय तक नहीं बना सकता हूँ. Okay, means इतना ज़्यादा कम है. Little means is ना के बराबर. Okay, there is little milk in the house, so I cannot prepare any tea for you. Then students, a little, it means some in quantity. For example, students, I can prepare only 2 cups of tea. For means here because. Okay, because there is a little milk in the हाउस कि मैं सिर्फ 2 कप ही जो है चाय बना सकता हूँ. वाई? क्योंकि इतना ही दूध है घर पर, थोड़ा सा ही दूध है. ओके, आई कैन प्रिपेयर ओनली 2 कप्स ऑफ टी because there is a little milk in the house. A little means बहुत थोड़ा. Then students, the little. The little means not much but all of that much. For example, you can drink the little milk that is in the jug. means जग में जितना भी दूध पड़ा है उसमें से थोड़ा सा आप जो है ड्रिंक कर सकते हो. ओके, you can drink the little milk that is in the jug. Or we can take one more example, like I spent the little money I had, कि means जितने भी मेरे पास मनी थी उसमें से मैंने थोड़ी सी जो है खर्च की. I spent the little money I had. Okay, it's the difference between little, a little and the little, few, a few and the few. Then students, let's talk about either and neither. Here students, remember that either means one of the 2 persons or things, and neither is the opposite of either. Here students, let's take example. You may buy either of these 2 pens, कि इन 2 pens में से आप कोई भी एक खरीद सकते हो. Okay, you may buy either of these 2 pens. Next one, neither of them could speak on the stage, कि उनमें से कोई भी जो है स्टेज पर जो है नहीं बोल सकता है. Neither of them could speak on the stage. Then students, next one, next determiner we can take many, much, few and less. Students, many denotes number while much denotes quantity. Okay, many denotes number while much denotes quantity, and few is the opposite of many. few का मीनिंग बहुत कम और many का मीनिंग इसका opposite हो गया ज़्यादा. few is the opposite of many and less is the opposite of much. Okay, remember, many denotes number while much denotes quantity, and few is the opposite of many and less is the opposite of much. Yes, here students, we can take some examples, like there are many flowers in this garden. Many people came to see the match. There is much sugar in stock. We have few holidays in school. A few students came to attend the lecture. Means बहुत कम, ना के बराबर. Okay. A few students came to attend the lecture. You devote less time. Means बहुत कम time. Okay. You devote less time to your studies. Then he came to me after several days, or we can say he came to me after many days. Okay, like this students we can use determiners. Okay, now students revise all these determiners again, and students after that try to complete chapter number 3 of your practice book. Okay students, that's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.